Is mobile data not working on your Android phone even though you have an active SIM card and data plan? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you several methods to fix the problem. So, first, make sure that your mobile data is turned on. Swipe down from the top of your screen and tap on the mobile data icon. Next, turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. This can refresh your phone's connection to the mobile network. Now check your data plan and balance. Make sure that you still have available mobile data and that your SIM hasn't blocked or suspended your carrier. If you're using two SIM cards, you can go to your settings, then go to the connection option. From here, click on mobile networks and make sure that your preferred network type is set. If the problem continues, try resetting your APN settings as well. Go to settings and then go to mobile network. Here, select access point names. Then tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select a reset to default. The exact menu names may vary depending on an Android phone, and you can also reset your network settings. Go to settings first, and then search for system and select it. Scroll down and select general management. Again, scroll down and select reset. Then after, select reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings in the bottom to confirm. If you have two different SIM cards installed on your device, you can click on this drop down menu and do it for the both. Next, restart your phone and check for any available software updates as well. And finally, test your SIM card in any other compatible phone. And if your mobile data does not work, contact your mobile carrier because the problem could be related to your SIM network coverage, or the data plan. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.